Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to add your delivery address on Taobao Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 168A, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your Taobao shopping app, go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this setting icon. The next thing you want to do is to click on here. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to autofill. Once you autofill your address, then you are good to go. And in a few seconds, the address is going to be fully located in your Taobao right here, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to save the address. And the address is going to be successfully saved into your Taobao Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.